Why do we manifest the opposite of what I want? Like most people, they say like they want to manifest something, and most of the time when they focus on their dreams, they manifest something opposite of it. And I'm sure it must be happening with many of you. You want to have more money and you start losing more money. You want to attract a specific person and that person started going away from you. You want to attract more relationship, good relationship, and you started losing good relationship. You want to gain more good health, but you slowly feels that health is going in the negative direction. If you are facing this, then this particular thing is going to change your journey.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
I want to share one great insight today about manifestation process. So today I got an email from one of our TYD, one of our awesome tribe member, and I keep getting emails like this on a regular basis. And then even workshop people ask me like, AJ, why do we manifest the opposite of what I want? Like most people, they say like they want to manifest something, and most of the time when they focus on their dreams, they manifest something opposite of it. And I'm sure it must be happening with many of you. You want to have more money and you start losing more money. You want to attract a specific person and that person started going away from you. You want to attract more relationship, good relationship, and you started losing good relationship. You want to gain more good health, but you slowly feels that health is going in the negative direction. If you are facing this, then this particular thing is going to change your journey. See, law of attraction or the universe is always working for all of us. It's always responding to the thoughts, to the feelings, to the energy that we are giving out in the universe. So the kind of energy that we are giving out in the universe, that's what we are bringing into our existence. That's what we are attracting back into our life. So when you want to manifest something, why do you manifest the opposite of it? And if something like this happened with you, then do let me know in the comment section. Because why? Because this is one thing so many people are struggling with. They get to know about the law of attraction, they get charged up, they know that, okay, now I'm going to achieve everything, now I'm going to manifest everything. But then when they decided to manifest something big, they start getting opposite of it. And there are a few reasons behind it. Law of attraction is not your enemy, first thing you need to understand. Neither it's your friend. It's a system, it's a framework that is working like 24/7. It's a framework. It's responding to the strongest energy and feelings and thoughts that you are giving to. It won't work just if you think about something for a while and you forget about it and you focus on something else. It's always respond to your strongest vibration. So when you think about a dream, and especially something big or something that you desire to manifest from quite a long time, what happened? The moment you start thinking about those big dreams, somehow if you are manifesting the opposite of it, because there are a lot of fears, lot of negativities and lot of doubts running inside your head, running inside your heart, because you want something big, you really need that and you mean to want that thing, you really want to manifest, but somehow subconsciously, unconsciously, you have lot of negativity going inside you and going against the dream, which is breaking all your positive energy and attracting what you don't want. For example, if you want to manifest a broken relationship, if you want to heal a broken relationship, you are telling the universe that yes, universe, I want to heal this relationship, I want this person to back in my life. But the moment you say it, you offer the vibration, you offer the goals to the universe. But most of the time throughout the day, you are doing something or thinking something which is creating more negativity about that relationship. Maybe you are full of anger for that person. All through the day you are complaining why that person has broken the relationship with me, how come he or she has done this thing with me, why things are going wrong. And sometimes you are thinking, do I really deserve the person? Is the person really going to come back in my life? Is it really going to happen? So when you have the dream and then you started doubting, then you started putting fears, then you started putting negativity, you neglect the energy, you neglect your vibration, and then boom, you want to manifest something and you don't get it. Or in many cases you get the opposite of it. Like for example, you want to make more money, and because you are going through some financial challenges, you want to have more money, you want to manifest, you want to attract it from everywhere, and you let the universe knows that universe, I want to be a money magnet, I want to attract more. But then most of the day you keep thinking that how much money is going away from you. Then when you see some rich people or successful people, you started getting envy, or you started thinking, oh, this person must have done something wrong, that is why they are rich, or that is why they have money. And when you are paying someone or buying something, even if you are getting a product or service back in return of the money that you are paying, but you are still not happy, you are unhappy. When you are paying your bills, you are full of negativity, full of fears, and every moment you are just calculating how much money left in your wallet, how much money left in your account, and you just feeling scared. So what you are doing? You are letting know the universe that yes, universe, I want to manifest it. And you are telling the universe for 1% or 5% time what you desire. But for 90 or 95% time, or for some people even 99% time, you are telling that the universe what you don't want, how much fears you have, how much negativity you have, how much doubts you have. And same thing happening with in case of every areas of life, like the way of relationship, the way in money, the same thing happening in your manifesting your dream job, healing your body, or doing anything and everything. One of the best example for many of the students who are appearing for exams, they prepare, they want to do great, they want to succeed in the exam, they want to study really hard, and many of them put lot of efforts. But when the exam comes closer, they talk to their friends, they ask about other people preparation, and boom, they go down. Their negativity soar up, they feel lot of stress, they have the anxiety, they started thinking what if things go wrong. And yesterday only one of our member of our awesome tribe, she wrote me and she said like, AJ, I was always positive about this exam, but this exam is coming up after 10 days. And now whenever I think about the exam, I really prepared well, but whenever I am thinking about the exam, that somehow I'm getting a fear that what if I'll fail in this exam. So this is the contradiction to what you desire. You have prepared well all through the year. If you have put all the effort, now it's time, exam time. You need to be positive, you need to be focused, you need to have that faith, and stop worrying about the result. Just focus on doing the best in the exam. Stay positive, let the universe know that the universe can make the best arrangement for you and you are going to succeed. Unless you overcome these negative feelings going inside your heart, going inside your mind, you cannot manifest what you desire. That is why most of the time you want something and you get the opposite of it. And that's why many people say it like, oh, this law of attraction doesn't work, or things are not working in my favor. The thing is, my friend, law of attraction is always working. Only thing you need to understand that if you are not getting what you want, then you need to step back and then look inside and ask yourself, what kind of thoughts I have, what kind of feelings I have. Am I really positive about my dreams? Am I really having a strong feelings about my dreams? Or if I have some fears, if I have some doubts, it's time for me to remove them, to change them. I can share one interesting story about this. But before that, if you have these fears and doubts, what you can do with it? The best way to overcome these fears and doubts and this kind of negativity is to understand what is that fear, what is that doubt, and how to reprogram it. You are having these fears, doubts, negativity because of the subconscious programming that has happened over the years, because of some of your negative experiences, or because the way you listen to people, the way things work in people's life around you. That is why your subconscious mind has been programmed negatively. Now, if you really want to manifest whatever you desire, you need to understand your belief system, you need to change your vibration, you need to program the subconscious mind, and boom, that's where magic started happening. So you can use different tools like affirmation, visualization. Gratitude is one of the magical tool. And gratitude is so simple and powerful that it can easily reprogram your subconscious mind. That is why many people when they join our 28 days magical practice, they start using the gratitude, they magically start manifesting many things. Because when they start reprogramming their subconscious mind while using the gratitude, they move from fear to faith. They move from doubt to dreams. They move from all the anger and anxiety to being in an active mode, being in taking inspired action, being in the positive drive, and that's when magic started happening. And the same way I teach people in the Transform Your Destiny workshops, that there are many tools you can use, many processes you can use to reprogram the subconscious mind. Always remember, if you are getting opposite of what you want, that you need to reprogram your subconscious mind. You need to change your belief system, and always be aware about the thoughts and feelings going inside your heart and soul. Always remember, your emotions is the key, because emotion is energy in motion. So the energy has to be positive, so that the positive energy will get it into the motion, so that you start having positive manifestations. If the energy is negative, then the negative energy will get it into motion and you start having negative manifestations. All the success, all the happiness are positive manifestation. All the failures, all the misfortunes are nothing but negative manifestation. So you change the energy from negative to positive as much as possible, and you start having more and more positive manifestations. That's the key. Now I want to share one story with you. So this one person wrote to me, he was going through a relationship breakup, and he said, like, AJ, I want to manifest my girlfriend, and I want to heal this relationship together, and all the time I'm thinking only positive about her. I ask the universe to manifest her, but nothing is happening, nothing is moving ahead. Why? I'm thinking positive about this relationship, but why am I not manifesting? And I asked him back, like, okay, you are positive about this particular relationship, but how about all the other relationships in your life? How is your relationship with your parents? How is your relationship with your friends? How is your relationship with your office colleague? And he told me, like, AJ, all this relationship doesn't mean anything for me. My only relationship is this particular love relationship, and that's everything. I said, okay, but tell me how is your relationship with all the other people? And the person said, most of the relationships are negative. He constantly feels angry, negative, and he keeps scolding all the people around him, and he keeps giving a lot of energy, negative energy to everyone. So in his life, he was just expecting positive outcome from one relationship, but in every other relationship, he was putting negative energy. So how difficult? It was impossible for him to manifest any positive energy in this. I said, now it's time for you to focus on other relationships and heal those relationships. Give some positive energy, because one relationship you are putting positive energy, and you are giving negative energy in 9 other relationships. You are not going to manifest this way. Put some positive energy in every relationship, so the cumulative energy will become positive and you manifest your love back. He started doing that. He started healing his relationship with his parents, his friends, his office colleague, and boom, that's where his energy went so high. That's where he focused the energy on her girlfriend, and things started moving well, and they get back together and things started working magically. And he started feeling really peaceful, joyful, energetic. So whenever you are manifesting something opposite of what you want, the reason behind your energy is in the negative direction, negative motion, you need to change it. That's the key, and you need to remember, every time you are manifesting something opposite of what you want, you need to step back and ask yourself, what is the negative beliefs I have? What kind of negative energy I have? What kind of fears and doubts I have? I need to change it. Change it, magic started happening.